Good morning.
Going to A1.
Going to P1.
P1.
Apollo 1. Fox Raceway. First round of the, I don't know, is it Lucas Oil anymore?
I don't, yeah.
Well, this is the Dirt Bike Kids Apollo National. The BS stops when the gate drops. We'll figure out where everyone is today. That's what I love about racing. It filters everyone into their own, where they belong.
What is going on right here? Is that Ken Roxon working the gate?
Kind of almost looked like him, didn't it?
Yeah.
I was thinking that from a ways away. No, that's nice of Ken. He's just going to greet everyone that comes through the gate.
And then go try and win a 450 money.
That's part of being a Fox athlete. It's Fox Raceway. Sorry. Not only do you have to do 230 plus 2s today, but you also got to stand up front and wave to everyone as they come in.
Oh look, our favorite friend Phil's here, right next to you.
Like, they don't even want anyone to see him. That's how miserable it is. Yeah, Phil!
Nice to see you too, Phil.
Hey, baby.
What's the gear today?
Oh. Some of the similar stuff I had in Supercross. Look at that.
We were hoping for some 2022.
Yeah, I don't even actually know what I don't know.
You never know what it's going. How are your pants so dirty already?
And I'm a working boy.
Oh, a hard-working boy. He's shot out.
Miles. Gotta make sure he's fueled up with the Sour Patch Kids today.
Dude, from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m., just 8 Sour Patch Kids all day.
Mm-hmm. Pretty much. Steady supply.
What would you say about that diet on trail training?
Not recommended.
Look at Jeremy over there. I hurt my shoulder. If you
Probably put the watch on the other side. ODI might be mad. Well, no, never mind. It's right there.
What a thoughtful guy. You drinking milk?
Some UCAN Superstarch. Added that into the arsenal of supplements in the last like 3 weeks or so. It's a carb source that just kind of prolongs. It's not like a spike. It's kind of more steady. Jim, we have to do something with this engine. It's hitting so hard. It is so much bottom. It's like a light switch.
Oh, bike's too fast.
It's going home. Bike's too fast.
He's switching to the 125 for a second for the first moto.
I wish I would have ate 2 sandwiches this morning, but like my stomach was kind of like, I felt full just because I was nervous. The nerves were getting to me. Then I was out there, I'm like, damn it, you should have ate more.
Al, I know where it's at.
What are you doing?
I'm poking my butthole. Yeah.
You walk like a duck.
You alright? How's that track out there?
Fast. Muddy.
Yeah.
don't do jumping jacks and shit like that?
Nah, save it for the motos.
He's trying to put out the vibe for the ladies.
Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of like, they're a little tight, but then, you know.
You've been watching too many Ronnie Mac movies.
Yeah. Yeah, I need the ball throw hanging out. Yeah, yo, Ronnie, man. Alright, well, I better get ready, gang. See you guys.
All right.
Hey, man. He's a cowboy.
Yeah. He's so tall.
What sucks is
What was that for?
MX for MX video game? Supercross the game. Supercross the game.
Supercross.
I keep going MX for ATV Unleashed.
That's the rival,
That was the best game, huh? Yeah.
How's your bike feel bottom? Like getting all this tight shit over here.
Feels fast. I looped out. I fucking looped out, dude.
No, you didn't. You ran a
I
paddle?
swear to God, no paddle that time. I came in after the mechanics, so you make that left after they board us. Then you make the right. I came in and had the inside had that massive kink. I smashed it. Like it was a hot lap. So I'm like, F yeah. Smash it, straight up fucking loop out. I don't think I'm going to run the paddle.
No.
I don't see the point. I think it's going to get more edgy in that main line.
Yeah.
And then when you do splooge and off to the other shit, you're f***ed anyways.
Alrighty.
Dave.
Good game, Jeremiah.
Make sure you watch the fucking LCQ starts.
Yeah, when
Watch where they're coming from. That's something Whip does.
Well, I watched the amateur stuff yesterday, but I'll watch.
That's different. They dogged the start different today.
Yeah. No, we made some changes. We had
Okay.
a little too much bottom.
Okay.
I just was pumping up really bad, like really bad arm pump. So, yeah, we mellowed out the bottom a little bit. We actually went away from the paddle.
That's probably a bad idea. Could we put a paddle back on?
Yeah, but the thing is, it's like getting really edgy out there.
We need a start though. How do we get starts? We get starts with paddles.
This thing is a ripper off the gate. Holy shit. Whole shot. That's all. That'll fix
Don't
it.
put me in this vlog either. I don't get paid from YouTube.
Yeah.
Phil wants to get paid to be in the Troll Train vlog.
Yeah, every second's
Right.
$1.
Phil's got Bitcoin money.
Sold it. Sold it way
Hey,
early.
thanks for wearing the t-shirt on the.
Yeah,
You know,
saw that?
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Wait a sec. I got a t-shirt for you though. I brought one here.
Okay.
Another one.
Yeah.
Where's mine?
How the what is it?
It's a good one.
I'm so fit.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah. So actually, the story behind that is like Jeremy always used to be like, "I'm so fucking fast," and then I might come back and be, "I'm so fucking fit."
Right, right.
So we just made t-shirts for it.
How about
Now we've lost fitness and being fast.
we're not fast
We are
or
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
I'm so that's what it is.
Hey, the gate. Yeah, stops when the gate drops.
Please change it now. I'm so
So
I'm so.
that one would have been good.
What's
I'm
wrong?
so fit.
do some setups, dude.
Let's see yours.
Do some shit.
Oh, quit flexing.
I've always had that. Dude, you just see my brother. He's got a fucking pooch here, and he's probably gonna win Smouters. So. He also won a title in 2014 with a butt stomach. So.
Cortisol levels were through the roof.
How's it breathing with that mask on?
It's great. I might pass out.
Come on, guys, everything's over here.
On that parade lap, see if you can, on the edges of the ruts, see if you can find some moisture.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have to dig though.
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
But if it's powder, don't do it.
Okay. Roost the shit out there whenever you get out there. Give me some dirt. Where the f is the water on this gate?
I don't know. Dying.
What? Did you fall?
Hey, shit.
You alright?
Dude, I f***ing ejected.
Where?
In the back. It was so bad, my bike, I was going down straight away, and it just kicked out and it just f***ing threw me. I'm so lucky though, I landed like I skid on my feet. Like, it was like this, sliding down a hill. Dude, I had Lawrence and Faulkner behind me for like the first half of the race.
Yeah, you feel like you rode good.
Yeah, it was alright.
Better?
Why is this f***ing door open? So pissed. It would, honestly, it would have been fine if I hadn't crashed. I probably could have been like maybe 10, 12, 11, 12. Yeah, baby. Perfect. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 174 average, 187 max.
That's about 105 right there with that spring. You want to try that?
Think that's alright?
Yeah. It's going to be a little softer initially, so it's going to have more squat.
Sweet.
Have fun, Al. I'll see you in a minute.
Yep.
You like Troll Train?
I love Troll Train. I mean, I'm disappointed in his performance first moto, but there's a second moto. He's gonna redeem himself, and I'll put him in top 5, and call it good.
Back on board. He had a torn butthole first moto.
Torn butthole. Well, hey, Alpine Stars can sew it back up.
Yeah, blue.
And then, was it like it blew up into the tank
Balloon
area?
knot.
Balloon knot. Okay. Oh man, I don't know how you do anything, Alex, with this guy around.
Alright.
Hey, if you start like you did right there, without that hole, you can get a hole shot anywhere. No joke.
See if you can kind of fill it in a little bit.
More?
Yeah. How that got there.
I can tell you how. You know how it got there.
Yeah. fucking ride out there. But there was times where I was on the motor where like I'd get on the gas and I'd be like, oh, like in all this tight stuff. I'd give it a little gas and it would almost like pull me off the back of the bike.
What do you think about keeping it the same for Thunder Rally though?
I don't know, it's like, I feel like we're off a ways. Like in terms of the shifting the power. I don't know, like it's so much shift. Like I think for sure we go more engine braking for that, and we do a sprocket change, but...
Yeah. Don't forget you're going to lose a lot up there.
Yeah.
And everybody knowing me up there is like, man, this thing's a dog.
But it's, I'm not like necessarily talking about like I want less power, I just want it in different places.
Yeah, no, I fully understand what you're saying there, but what I'm saying is up at Thunder Valley, that place that you're normally saying, hey, I don't want it where it is now, it's what you lose. And the biggest thing you feel you lose at high altitude.
I feel like right now I'm okay with it. Yeah. Losing it. It's been a long time since I've been in 250 class that I've had too much power, right? But I just want to make sure like we get it sorted soon. Which, it's nothing worse too than like when you come into the first turn up like in the top 5 and then you exit the second turn in 35th.
How was your weekend with Phil Nicoletti?
Yeah, it's just great on shitty days like this.
What'd you
Did
go?
we fucking suck or what? 1922, baby.
Oh, he went 1916.
We're a bunch of winners. Can't really use
I'm
that.
regretting every life decision I've ever made to get to this point right now. I gotta do actual real interview now.
You want to be done filming for the day? You're never done. Well, summary of Paula. I suck. I suck donkey dick. But we have solutions to our problems, and we will try them out at Colorado. That's the beauty of professional sports. You suck, you pick yourself back up, and you try again the next week.
There you go.
Yep.
Like and subscribe.
Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye.
My name's Jeremy Martin. I drive a Ranger, a white Ranger. It's good. It gets good gas mileage.